Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Adobe Lightroom account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your device is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open Adobe Lightroom on your phone, tablet, or computer by clicking the Lightroom icon. If you do not have Lightroom installed, download it from the App Store, Google Play, or the Adobe website first. When Lightroom opens, look for the Sign In button on the Start screen. Click or tap Sign In to begin the login process. Choose Continue with Adobe ID if you want to log in using your email and password. If you usually use Google, Apple, or Facebook, select the Matching Continue with option instead. On the Adobe ID screen, click the email address field and type the email you used for your Adobe account. Double-check the spelling of your email so you do not get a login error. Click Continue to move to the password step. Click the password field and type your Adobe account password carefully. If you want to see what you are typing, use the eye icon to show or hide the password. Click Sign In to submit your login details. If Adobe asks for verification, open your email or phone messages and get the security code. Enter the security code in Lightroom and confirm to continue. If you are on a shared device, uncheck the option to stay signed in for better security. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. Create a new password, then return to Lightroom and sign in again with the updated password. After signing in, wait a few seconds while Lightroom syncs your account information. If you see a plan or trial screen, select your plan or start the free trial to proceed. To confirm you are logged in, look for your profile icon or your name in the top corner. Click the profile icon to view your Adobe account details and connected services. If you want to switch accounts, open the profile menu and choose Sign Out. After signing out, choose Sign In again and enter the other Adobe ID. If Lightroom keeps looping on the login screen, close the app completely and reopen it. If the problem continues, update Lightroom to the latest version from your App Store or Adobe Creative Cloud. Also check your system date and time settings, because incorrect time can block secure login. Once you are logged in, you can access your presets, cloud edits, and synced photos across devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.